Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we're looking at Shopify and Zoho Commerce, two platforms that help you build and run an online store. If you're not sure which one is better for your business, this video will make everything very easy to understand. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for a 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. Now, let's get started. First off, let's start with a simple overview of both platforms. Shopify is really one of the most popular e-commerce tools in the world because it's easy to set up, simple to use, and works well for both small stores and big brands. It gives you all the tools that you need to sell products, manage orders, and customize your store without really feeling confused. Now, on the other hand, Zoho Commerce is part of the Zoho family of apps. This means it connects smoothly with tools like Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, and Zoho Inventory. Zoho Commerce is the best for small and medium sized businesses that want an affordable store that works closely with their other Zoho tools. So let's look at features. Shopify gives you a modern store builder, clean themes, fast checkout, strong SEO tools, and access to thousands of apps. This makes it easy to add new features as your business grows. Zoho Commerce also gives you a drag and drop builder, customer accounts, product listings, and marketing pages, plus great inventory tools, but it doesn't offer as much design freedom or advanced features as Shopify, especially when it comes to checkout customization and third party app support. Next up, user experience. Shopify is very beginner friendly. Everything is clear and simple, so even if you're new to e commerce, you'll learn quickly. Its mobile app is also great, making it easy to manage your store from anywhere. Zoho Commerce is also easy to use, but it feels a little more basic. It works best if you already use other Zoho products because the layout and flow will feel very familiar. Let's talk about integrations. Shopify connects with thousands of apps for shipping, marketing, payments, email, accounting, and more. This makes it very flexible. Zoho Commerce focuses mainly on Zoho integrations, which is perfect if your business already runs on the Zoho ecosystem. But if you want lots of third-party tools, Shopify will give you more options. Let's talk about support or compare support really. Shopify will offer 24/7 chat support on all plans, which is great for beginners who need quick help. Zoho Commerce also has great support, but faster response times usually depend on your plan and your region. Finally, let's compare pricing. Shopify starts at $25 per month for basic, $65 for grow, $399 for advanced, and $2,300 per month for the plus plan. Zoho Commerce offers plans starting at $19 per month for standard, $59 a month for professional, $129 for premium. So, which one should you choose? If you want a simple, modern, and powerful platform that can grow with your business, Shopify is definitely the better choice. It has more apps, more design options, and a smoother checkout experience. But if you want a cheaper platform that connects perfectly with Zoho CRM, Zoho Books, and other Zoho apps, then Zoho Commerce is the easy choice. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check that link below. You'll unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. Look, if you found this comparison helpful, please be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.